see poor people are presently in front of you. Okay, so meaning as we said before, you cannot just embarrass poor people and say, no, you're right, I already gave my whatever 20%, 15-20% of tzedakah, I don't have anything. That's also not proper. Okay, so it says, as we have previously established, chapter 1, there are some poskim who maintain that when the poor people are commonplace, one who can afford, he would be obligated to give 1/5 of his money to tzedakah. Right, when there are many poor people. Okay. Others hold that this is praiseworthy and not obligatory. But I understand this opinion better, right? When it says praiseworthy. I mean, that's why in the places where you expect poor people, and there are many poor people, so you're not allowed to give to one place because you know that they're going to come. And how do you feel? Like you're going to give them change or something? Also not good. Okay, praiseworthy. The majority of the poskim have the opinion that in the case of poor people are in front of you, anaim kemai, one would be allowed to give away even more than 1/5 of his money. So in this case, that's how I understand. He already gave 1/5, let's say, and there are more poor people are coming. It's not like he much more than 1/5, but on top of 1/5. Okay. Next one, D. Pikuach Nefesh, saving an endangered life. If the indigent is in a situation where he is in danger of dying because of lack of food, not only one is allowed to give him more than 1/5, he is obligated to do so. Of course, in such a situation, one would be obligated to help the individual even if he is not indigent. Okay. So I'm not sure why he started with the poor, probably a poor person because he does not have any means to pay, right? And other person, if he's not poor, so he would have money to pay, right? Okay. So if his life is in danger because of lack of food, you can give more than 1/5. Okay. Okay, but anybody in need, so maybe they're not going to pay you back. Maybe yes, maybe no. That doesn't matter. You have to help save another person. Okay. Next, any questions on what we said so far?
What?
Yes, go ahead. Yes.
Yeah, I have a question about actually about the issue of tefillah.
Okay.
So when, say, someone uses the tefillah to fulfill the mitzvah, and this tefillah don't belong to him, and he drops those on the floor on the back, who has to give the tzedakah? The owner of the tefillah or the person that dropped them?
I think the owner who dropped them because there's a judgment against him. Understand? It's not good. So we must pay very, very close attention when they handle tefillin. And you're welcome. And especially Sefer Torah. If Sefer Torah has special drops, so the whole community must fast. Or some people say only the people who saw this event must fast. And sometimes they give. They give a hug by the person who would lift the Torah. So like on the surface, the person looks like healthy and strong guy. But then maybe the Torah to have it, like the guy is like started like balancing, and it's like very heartbreaking situation. Oh, you understand? So that's probably when somebody like would stay close to him. Try to catch it and stuff like that. But otherwise, it's a big disaster when Torah Chas v'Shalom falls on the floor. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
And I have a question about the demo. So, prior to a person passing away, the last part part when it says, however, the general consensus of poskim is that one should not give away all of his money, but rather leave some for his wife and children.
Yes.
What happens with the wife or children, both or perhaps one of the other are wicked?
So yeah, exactly. So in this case, you're not obligated, but with the wife, it's not such a simple thing. I mean, if he can leave her enough for ksuba, which is ksuba is there is a standard ksuba, and there is some extra that could be written, right? Standard, I think it's 200 zuz. Whatever it means, whatever it means, we convert to silver and see how much money is it. Like it's simple to, not simple, but it's possible to calculate. And he can write there whatever extra. He said, I don't know, $1 million, whatever, right? So he must make sure that she would get this minimum. Okay. Okay, so that's right before passing. Okay, what else? Another question?
Yeah, there's a question on the board. In the case of four people are presently in front of us, many times when we give one of them, the others would come and ask for more. I wonder how much should one give in this situation?
Don't give a lot, but you understand that they would come. It's like on Purim, I won like a long time ago. I went to this place when this minion factory, and the kids that asking. So you gave one kid, the whole class jump on you. Like I don't know, 15 people, 20. You would say like apologize. I gave you like. Go find somebody else, but those are kids, even though we said it's proper to give everybody who extend their hands on Purim, right? But sometimes you have to say stop it. But with poor people, not so easy. So of course, if you don't have, you should say you don't have. But it's proper if you expect many of them, you give a little, but to everybody. Right. Because as we said, the sensitive you gave him to, like he was like before me, you don't like me, I'm not this, not that. So they're very sensitive, self-conscious. So it's proper to give all of them if possible, even a smaller amount. Okay. Any other questions? Or we'll continue.